Hey guys, in this video we will be discussing distance, speed and time. So what is distance, speed and time? According to Google, to put it simply, distance is the complete path traveled by an object between 2 points. Speed is the rate at which someone or something moves or operates, how fast something is moving. And time is the duration in which all things happen. When you are driving down a road, you are very familiar and quite often see these signs at the side of the road. So what do they actually mean? These signs show you at what speed limit you should be driving. As we continue to talk about or discuss road signs, the unit for speed is kilometers per hour. Now we can derive the formula to find out what speed is. So speed is distance divided by time. Distance is measured in kilometers and time is measured in hours. Now let's do an example of speed. If the distance traveled is 70 kilometers and it takes 7 hours, what will the speed be? We know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. S is equal to D is 70 kilometers divided by 7 hours. Now we can say that the speed is equal to 10 kilometers, as you can see, kilometers per hour. Now, if they give us the speed and time, how will we be able to find the distance? Or if they give me the speed and distance, how will I be able to figure out the time? I'm going to show you a fast and simpler way to change the formula around. We'll be using a triangle. Which will be in this format. D is T. We already know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now we can also see in the triangle that time is equal to distance divided by speed. This line represents divide and this line represents multiply. Therefore, distance is equal to speed times t, which is time. The next example. If the distance traveled is 60 kilometers and the speed at which it travels is 20 kilometers per hour. At what time interval does it travel for? We know that t is equal to d divided by s. That is equal to 60 kilometers divided by 20 kilometers per hour. Therefore, time is equal to 3 hours. If the speed is 80 kilometers per hour and the time traveled is 2 hours, what will the distance be? We know that d distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Therefore, speed is 80 multiplied by time, which is 2 hours. Therefore, distance is equal to 160 kilometers. Now, let's move on to the questions. A cyclist covers a distance of 950 meters in 5 minutes. Find his speed in kilometers per hour. Whoa, they want the answer in kilometers per hour, but they give us the distance in meters and the time in minutes. We know that kilometers to meters, we have to divide by 1000. And hours to minutes to seconds, we have to multiply by 60. From seconds to minutes to hours, we have to divide by 60. Therefore, 950 meters will be 0,950 kilometers, and time to hours will be 5 divided by 60 is 0,083333 hours. Therefore, speed is equal to distance divided by time. The distance in kilometers was 0,950 kilometers divided by time, which is 0,08333 hours. Therefore, the speed is equal to 11,4 kilometers per hour. Sandra ran 500 meters in 100 seconds. Find her speed in kilometers per hour. Her distance is 500 meters and her time is 100 seconds. Her speed is kilometers per hour. The formula for speed is distance divided by time. 500 meters divided by 100 seconds. As you can see, meters must always be divided by seconds. Kilometers must always be divided by hours. Therefore, the speed is equal to 5 meters per second. But they ask us to find the speed in kilometers per hour. Therefore, the speed is equal to 5 times 3.6. Therefore, speed is 18 kilometers per hour. Next question. A man runs at the speed of 10 kilometers per hour. How much time will he take to cover 750 meters? As you can see, they're giving us the speed in kilometers per hour and they're giving us the distance in meters. Now, I would, instead of converting the speed to kilometers, because it's much easier to convert the distance to kilometers. Therefore, the distance is 0,750 kilometers. Therefore, t is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 0,750 divided by 10. Therefore, time is 0,075 hours. If the distance traveled by train is 495 kilometers, in 4 hours and 30 minutes, what is its speed? What is the train's speed? As you can see, the distance is given in kilometers and the time is given in hours and minutes. We now have to convert the time fully into hours. Therefore, 30 minutes is half of an hour. Therefore, the time will be written as 4.5 hours. We know that S is equal to distance divided by time. The distance is 495 kilometers and the time is 4.5 hours. Therefore, the speed is equal to 110 kilometers per hour. Hopefully you understand what I explained. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below and I'll be happy to answer. Take care.